Hello, world. My name is Jason L.J. Grant, and I have $1 trillion opportunity for you. This offer is for any individual, company, or government that is willing to help save and unite our beautiful planet Earth. Now, that may seem a bit presumptuous, but imagine being able to do something that no one has effectively done for the length of human existence. Speculate on how you may monetize that. $1 trillion opportunity for only $1 billion after taxes. That is my offer, and it's non-negotiable. For all serious offers, I can be reached at tradeupworld@gmail.com. Leave your name, best number, best time, best email, and company or government that you represent. Now, a brief description of this plan will be in my book. Check it out for more details.